this though. It's ethanol. What up?
Shift a second.
When you can't reach the shifter.
Ready, go. That was first.
Oh god. I could not drive a right-hand drive car. So I bought a brand new Snap-on one, their little engine starter, like a month or two ago, and then I saw this one and I traded it because the Snap-on one kind of sucks. This one is way better. Red for ground and black for positive.
There you go. Wow, we should really open the garage.
Turbo's fucked.
Oh my god. So bad.
Oh, it's cracked.
Oh, yeah, it is.
Have to shut the car off. Oh, I got it. Oh. Wow.
God.
Oh man, that thing is...
Yeah, so I didn't even notice that. So...
That's an issue.
Yeah, so it's time for a new turbo.
That thing's fucked.
Yeah, so after finding out this turbo is done, I ordered a new one. I just scratched myself. So I'm gonna take this one off, take it apart, see why it's all messed up.
There she goes. Exposed.
Nice. I haven't taken this turbo off since it's been on this manifold. So.
Hey.
Of course, I put the Allen on the hardest to reach one. Alright. Well, I definitely got my money's worth out of this.
Definitely. Yeah, messed up. Oh my god.
Oh, it actually cracked the housing. You can take these bolts out and take it apart.
Try not to be as shaky as Charlie is.
Bourbon has the shakiest hands.
Dude, I'm using my my stomach fat as a stabilizer.
It's a sick beaver.
Thanks, bro. It's.
I'll blur out the logos. Alright. Give me a sponsorship.
I got this.
Alright, be back.
Oh,
Oh,
Lord.
God.
Lord almighty.
Oh
Are
my
you serious? I
God.
climbed in the window and the
This
door's
thing
been
just
unlocked this whole time?
fell apart. And it smells like burnt
Oh,
oil.
Yeah, I think it's fine.
Smell.
Let me see.
It's,
I
Reeks.
think it's fine.
I think it's fine.
This reek. Alright, turbo for sale, no shaft play.
2,000 OBO.
$500 OBO. Don't lowball me, I know what it's worth. Just needs a rebuild.
Give it to me. I'll try and go sell it to the Subaru driver over here. Excuse me, sir.
Okie dokie.
My grandma keeps sending me naked pictures and it's starting to irritate me.
Oh, she meant to send those to me.
I'll send you your number.
Yeah.
Bitch.
So clearly the motor's smoking from somewhere. Probably the pistons. Well, probably one of the pistons cracked.
Yeah. Charlie, you want to explain what happened?
Someone smashed it. I don't know who and I don't know why, but it's smashed and that's all I know.
And there's the update.
So,
It hasn't left this garage.
yeah,
At all.
this is like the least of my worries. Obviously, I still need to get a lot more done. Screw you. Okay, we're gonna go head over to Burden's farm. Go update you guys on the Honda.
I can't breathe.
Drifties. Here's the Honda.
How you doing, babe?
It's pretty much stripped. So this thing just needs to be fine, like just the final stuff taken out. And we're gonna sandblast it. Get all the shit done. And we're still finding what we want to do for the motor and shit.
We're open to suggestions too.
Yeah, because I mean, there's the old one sitting over there. But it's seized, so
What? The old motor?
yeah. So either a swap or if we could pick up a motor.
Might as well just do a switch.
So there's not much more we need to take out.
Literally just that. That's a big chunk. This we can toss out once we get it out and then rack and pinion.
Dude, these birds just keep shitting everywhere.
All you guys do is hide and shit. That's cool.
I mean, this is not a short time build at all, so
It'll be a while. Oh, don't.
Don't,
walk up there,
yeah.
Brandon. You got balls. They're just dropping bombs and you're walking right in the fire zone. This is the red zone PUBG. Oh, I remember this bus. It was parked outside of school for a while. All right, Charles is gonna feed Satan goat. Oh God.
weird looking dogs. Get pissed.
What?
Charge me.
Why? What happened?
You didn't see him stomp his foot?
Yeah, I did. Oh, well, if I didn't, the camera did. Fuck the Satan goat. That's creepy.
Yeah, dude.
Alright, I want to update you guys on the wagon. So obviously you saw in the last couple clips, the turbo's done for and the motor's smoking. So I want to move on to bigger and better things with this. So this turbo, this was my original turbo. It costed $110 off Amazon. It lasted 2 years, so I got my money's worth out of it. This is the brand for those of you that were asking. But I've got my new one on the way. It should be here in a day or two, so you guys will see that. But the main thing I want to go through is see what is wrong with this. I know it needs a new head, so I'm going to be getting a new head since the valve cover bolts are broken. What actually holds the bolt down into the head broke off. It's only been held on by 2 of them, so that's why it leaks, it smokes, and it's just a stock head. So the one I want to get, I want to at least do springs and retainers and a cam. That way I can get some more horsepower, more RPM out of the new setup. Other than that, I'll be doing a new piping. This is really small intercooler piping. Yeah, I'm just gonna pull the motor and then figure out what I want to do with it. I was thinking about doing a live stream when I'm building the motor, so you guys let me know if you want to see that. That way you can learn how to do a full rebuild on one of these. Alrighty, so I'm going to go ahead and start pulling this thing apart. Alright, I got all the hoses and the wiring all disconnected. I'm an idiot and I forgot my axle nut socket and lug nuts at work, so I won't be able to pull the motor tonight. I'm going to finish it up tomorrow. I was going to work on the Geo, but I don't want to grind stuff because it's getting late and it's pretty loud. But I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
This video is dedicated to August Ames.